great Filipino scientists and inventors. Here is the list of renowned Filipino national scientists and inventors as 2014. They were recognized for their scientific and technological achievements in their respective fields of specialization.
Juan Salcedo Jr., a doctor of medicine by profession, a scholar in science, educator at heart and administrator per force, a biochemist and nutritionist by choice. His involvement in nutrition started with Bataan experiment, proving the rice enrichment by attain and other nutrients, including iron, can solve beriberi, then a leading cause of death in the Philippines. Alfredo Santos. He pioneered studies in the isolation and elucidation or identifying the chemical structure of chemical components from indigenous Philippine plants. In their particular, he studied alkaloids, organic compounds that can be derived from plants and mostly contain basic nutrient atoms. His find showed that certain medical plants can address various health problems and symptoms, such as inflammation, high blood pressure, tuberculosis, gastric ulcer, dysentery, and diarrhea. Gregorio Y. Zara. Gregorio Y. Zara was a Filipino engineering and inventor best remembered for inventing the first two-way video telephone. Zara video telephone invention enabled to player and recipient to see each other while conversing, laying the foundation for video conferencing. Fe Premeta del Mundo. Fe Premeta del Mundo is created with studies that lead to the invention of an improving incubator and a device that Rick Jades, along with pioneering work in Pyrex. She had an active medical practice in the Philippines that spanned 8 decades and founded a major children's hospital in the country. Eduardo Cusimbing. Eduardo Cusimbing, born in November 24, 1895, August 23, 1986, was a Filipino botanist and a noted expert in the medical plants of the Philippines. A former botanist, Dr. Eduardo Cusimbing is pioneer in the study of Philippine medical plants, where he made tremendous contribution. His book, Medical Plants in Philippines, is the pioneer of all research on medical plants in the country. He was author of more than 129 scientific articles published here and abroad. Jimeneo del Ocampo. Jimeneo del Ocampo is the father of modern ophthalmology in the Philippines. He was an outstanding ophthalmologist who set up the first eye hospital in the Philippines and also helped establish the Philippine Eye Research Institute and Philippine Ophthalmological Society. Casimiro del Rosario. He is very well known for his research on ultraviolet light of different wavelengths, high voltage electrical discharge in a vacuum, effect of radioactive discharge in vacuum, effect of radioactive radiation on Agulin, a genus of unicellular organism, and many other accomplishments. Also, Dr. Del Rosario has contributed to the acknowledgement for the work he did on soft X-ray involving high vacuum photography. Gregorio Velasquez. Gregorio Velasquez is a Filipino science and botanist who is regarded as the father of Philippine psychology. The study of algae made the first intensive study of the local Myxopotaceae or the blue-green algae. Francisco Franda. Dr. Franda contributed immensely to the development of poultry industry not only in the Philippines but in the Asia region as well. In the recognition of his pioneering contributes, he was seen as the father of poultry science in the Philippines by the Philippine Association of Animal Science in 1980 and father of Thai poultry industry, honored President by Her Royal Highness the Crown Princess of Thailand in 1982. Francisco Santos. Many studies by Dr. Santos concern the improvement of nutrients of the Filipinos. He made comprehensive investigation of the nutritive values and chemical composition of Filipinos food, the amount of nutrients and vitamin contents of traditional Philippine nutrition problem, nutrition plan of families of various liberal communities and probably effect of a one-sided diet. He established the anti-beriberi content of sweet potato and demonstrate the food value of this crop. Carmen Velasquez. Carmen Velasquez. Carmen Velasquez. Carmen Camacho Velasquez, a Filipino parasitologist. She specialized in parasite of the tropical fish of the Philippines. She is known for her work on taxonomy of Pelagian and was the first to describe the parasitic nematode Capillaria Philippines, which cause intentional capillarias in humans. Teodoro Agoncillo, considered as a radical historian, professional Agoncillo had been a major influence in Philippine historiographic, which reflect the Filipino point of view from the biggest when it was largely popular to the present when it is now integral with Filipino writing of history. Encarnacion Alonso. Encarnacion Alonso, she is a historian and mentor to a generation of other eminent historians, with a professor of history at the University of the Philippines. A prolific writer, some of their historical writes have already become classic, particularly a story of education in the Philippines. Hilario Lara. Hilario Lara, known as the father of modern public health in the Philippines. Lara began the first of many studies on the diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of not one, but 5 infection disease. His research on chlorella, typhoid fever, dysentery, measles, and diphtheria provide to be invaluable in determining what caused them and how to control their spread. Julian Banzon. Dr. Banzon has done a great deal of work on local materials, especially coconut as the renewable source of chemical and fuels. His work on the production of identically stemmed from sugarcane and coconut is the first study on fuels from this crop. Dr. O'Malley specialized in the breeding of rice, corn, abaca, and hacienda. His research output and writing paved the way for the launching of program of rain feed and upland agriculture, social for forestry, environment conservation, and rural poverty. Under his stewardship, the UP College of Agriculture became a premier institute of higher learning in Asia.
Jose Encarnacion Jr. Dr. Encarnacion is the first Filipino to publish in an economic journal of international standing. His contribution to economic theory have appeared in major journals in England and the United States. Luz Oliveros Belardo. Dr. Belardo spent 5 decades of her life studying the chemistry of natural products and essential oil from Philippines plants. She has extracted 3 new Philippine essential oil and studies their chemical and physical properties. Results of her work found application in the creation of new flavor and herbal medication. Alfredo Lagmay. Dr. Lagmay pursued a lot of studies related to experimental analysis of behavior, behavior modification, relaxation, and related studies, and hypnosis. In recognition of his work, the University of the Philippines awarded him a professional chair in psychology, 1973. Paulo Campos. Dr. Campos co-authored 73 scientific publications, some of which were award-winning. His researches, namely, number 1, observation on same parameter in insulining action. Number 2, CR51 tank rail cell studies. And the number 3, the genetic factor and endemic gator, won first prize in the research award. For his achievement in research, the Philippine Association for the Advancement of Science named him Outstanding Scientist, the Gregorio Y. Zara Award in 1967. Pedro Escoro. Dr. Escoro has made significant contribution to rice breeding. As plant breeder, professor, extension worker, and consultant in agricultural project, he provided leadership in the development, isolation, and release of 9 seed broad rice varieties. Clara Lim Selanco. Dr. Selanco has done a lot of work on mutagens, anti-mutagens, and bioorganic mechanisms where she has more than 50 scientific articles, 7 books, and 5 monographs to her name. Her books are used as textbook in college chemistry courses in many schools throughout the country. Dolores Ramirez. Dr. Ramirez is recognized for her researches in biochemical genetics and cytogenetics. She has been working on the genetic system controlling the makapuno endosperm of coconut, the genetics of chemical resistant factors against the Cercospora kicksleaf spot, and the cytogenetic of the hybrid of rice related with wild species. Jose R. Velasco. Dr. Velasco's pioneering and promising works in various areas of plant physiology such as mineral nutrition, photoperiodism, chemical weed control, and plant growth in general, have provided the basis of some important crop production management practices as well as lead out research direction. He is known for his research in kadang-kadang disease of coconut. Gilia T. Castillo. Dr. Castillo publications are major and definitive works on Philippine agricultural and rural development. Her book, All in Grain of Rice, is the first book written by Filipino about the Filipino farmers' respond a new technology. Another book, Beyond Manila, has been cited as in-depth and analytical study of actual problem and needs of the rural areas in related to countryside development. The totality of Dr. Castillo's research undertaking has given us such needed insight on our own rural development effort and our attempt to, to reach the farmer and the rural poor. Benvenido Juliano. His research activities and collaborative activities with other scientists in the field provided an in-depth sociochemical analysis of rice grain quality being requisite to the improvement of rice grain productivity. The augmented grain quality lead to an increased national welfare by raising the value of rice, either consumer or producer, leading to expanded market. Improved quality of product and development of new rice product, improved quality and shelf life of selected rice food products has also added market value, particularly for export into targeted markets, thus allowing more efficient competition in the world market. Claire Baltasar. Dr. Baltasar has consistently maintained a outstandingly high standard of achievement throughout her academic life. Her numerous publications in the Philippine insect, especially on the Philippine Hymenoptera, are very significant to science, for they lay the groundwork for further for future biological control in the Philippines. Her book, Philippine Insect, in the first authoritative text on Philippine insect. Other important contributions of Dr. Baltasar to science are the discoveries of the 8 and 1 subgenus of Hymenoptera. Benito Vergara. His vision is to help farmers and bring science and technology closer to the Filipino people. Has contributed enormously in improving rice varieties to produce richer harvests. His popularized the significant scientific basis of growing rice. He is the mind behind the creation of the IRRI Rice World and the Philippine Science Heritage Center, two science centers that instill science-oriented culture among the public. Onofre Corpus. In recognition of his sterling contribution to the field of political science in the Philippine social and economic history, refreshing trademarks of Dr. Corpus' scholarly journal and unalloyed fidelity to facts, as essayed for unsubstantiated claim and the courage to challenge existing orthodoxies and familiar interpretation. The depth and breadth of Dr. Corpus' insight, his graphs and illumination of difficult abstraction, and his intimate knowledge of the original document make him a model social scientist. Ricardo Lantican. Dr. Lantican effort in plant breeding more efficiently in the development of varietal resistance and the improvement of plant structure and morphology have paved the way for the list of outstanding varieties. These varieties are now being commercially grown by the farmers in the Philippines, part of Southeast Asia, East Asia, and South Asia. Lourdes Cruz. Dr. Cruz has made significant contribution to biochemistry of toxic peptides from the venom of fish-hunting conus marine snails. Her studies lead in the part of biochemical characterization of over 50 biologically active peptides from the conus venom and the development of conotoxin by biochemical comes from examining the activities of the brain. Teodoro Topacio Jr. Dr. Teodoro M. Topacio is recognized for his significant scientific contribution to the studies and improvement of animal production and the animal health in the country. His studies on leptospirosis showed the presence of 3 strains of the pathogen, the transmission of the disease from pig to human, which enable appropriate treatment for both pigs and human, and that disease was an occupational hazard to workers. Mercedes Concepcion. Dr. Mercedes B. Concepcion is a recognized pioneer in 3 science disciplines: sociology, demography, and statistics.
Next is Ernesto Domingo. In recognition of his outstanding accomplishment in the study of the nature of Schistosome granuloma and its role in hepatosplenic disease, the epidemiology and control of hepatitis B and all known viral hepatitis in the Philippines, and the pathopsychology, clinical behavior, and treatment of hepatocellular carcinoma in Filipinos. Next is Perla Dizon Ocampo. She is widely recognized for his outstanding work and accomplishment in the twin scourge of diarrhea disease and malnutrition that have contributed in the elucidation of etiologic factors and planning of control measures that reinforce international recommendation in oral rehydration and nutritional management. Is Raul Fabila. He has done pioneering work on novel analytic construction that proved to be useful for problems in economics. Fabila introduced the sub-symmetric set, which extend the reach of the celebrated Nash bargaining solution to more egalitarian or Rawlsian grounds. Next is Bienvenido Nebres Sr. Nebres is one of the first living mathematicians today. He has published some 15 papers in pure mathematics and in the mathematics education. As president of the Mathematical Society of the Philippines for a number of years, he contributed greatly to the development of higher mathematics education in the country. Next is Angel Alcala, Filipino biologist who was named a National Scientist of the Philippines in 2014. Alcala is known for his fieldwork to build sanctuaries and to promote biodiversity in the aquatic ecosystem of the Philippines. Ramon Barba. Dr. Barba was known for his distinguished achievements in the field of plant psychology, focusing on induction of flowering of mango and micropropagation of important crop species that have earned him national and international accolades. He pioneered the induction of flowering and fruitness of mango resulted to availability of abundant fresh mangoes all year round. He developed the plant growth enhancer using potassium nitrate, which has locally and internationally patented. He also worked on the micropropagation of sugarcane and bananas. This significant breakthrough in flower induction and micropropagation has been adopted by other countries producing fruit trees. Next is Edgardo Gomez. Gomez is recognized for his outstanding contribution to science, particularly his research on marine ecosystem, which became the base of management of and the conservation programs for the country's marine resources. Most notable among his research have been on coral reef ecology and conservation. re-establishment of giant clam stock, and marine science capacity enhancement. Next is Gabino Trono Jr. In recognition of his outstanding contribution and accomplishment in the field of psychology, particularly in seaweed biodiversity, taxonomy, and culture, has research and professor. He is successful development and open water culture technologies and management of stock of economically important seaweed species of the Philippines. Next is the great inventors. Lucille Abad develop a plant vitamin ineffective to plant growth promoter using irradiated seaweeds. Pili Albiola help develop methods to monitor biodiversity in protected areas. It's been studying mammals, the diversity of cave-dwelling bats, and bat viruses. Albiola conducts bat zoonotic research since 2007, which various international virologists, which result in discovery of several novel virus genotypes and including coronavirus, hantavirus, and gamma herpes virus from Philippine bat. Next is Diosdado Banatao. Designed the first single-chip 16-bit microprocessor-based calculator, 1976 TMS to 9900 by Texas Instruments. Pioneered GUI graphics or graphics user interface. Accelerator in 1990 contributed to design of 10 MB IT Internet CMOS. Next is Rodolfo Viescas Sr. Invented Ironman Carl Ionizer, Nature's Air Room Ionizers, Super Flame, Charwood Stove, and Bricks Coal. Next is Techi Cruz Capelan, founder of the Philippine Solar Power Alliance and CEO of Sun Asia Energy, harvest the sun to power the Philippines. Next is Mark Loenas, invented the one-chip video camera working with a team of Lucent Technologies in the US. They were tasked with creating a camera that was so cheap and used too little electrical power that it could be integrated into things such as watch and appliance. Next is Isa Mijeno. CEO founded Sustainable Alternative. Isa Mijeno co-founded Sustainable Alternative Lightning or SALI, a social enterprise that is developing an LED lamp that runs on just table salt and water. Next is Quirino O. Navarro, Filipino nuclear physicist and chemist who studies isotopes of californium, dysprosium, and actinium. His work was published in 2 books and 3 volumes and even became useful for teaching students in the University of California. Next is Roberto Del Rosario. He invented the karaoke previously called -1 in 1975, the OMB Piano 1 Man Band, the voice color tape and voice color code, the piano tuner guide, the piano keyboard tracing device, the copper wire string winding machine.
Tome, lead the development of method to generate high contrast image of semiconductor site via one photon optical beam include current imaging and confocal replicant microcopy. Next is Michelle Grace Pasaro and Vishal Gay Paler. Identify the biomarker of pollutant affecting Philippine freshwater system. A biomarker is measurable substance in an organism where present indicative of some phenomenon such as disease, infection, or environmental exposure. Next is Julius Semplio. He is helping development and effective achieve the database for image coming for Diwata 1, a Philippine microsatellite launched into orbit, and the future Diwata 2 applications such as mapping, monitoring the environmental detective changes in the land and land usage. Gregorio Zara invented the introduction compass, alcohol fuel plane, semi-ad Bartil propeller making machine, video phone, telephone, solar water heater. Alfredo M. Anos, known as God of Filipino inventors, invented 3-in-1 fire truck named Patrol. In the name such because the triple capabilities as the fire truck, as a rescue vehicle, and as a ambulance. Neo Dazo invent the water fuel hydrogen is used to run a motor vehicle. Junior D. Jesus, invented the HiMax Turbo Power Simulator, an electrical and electronic technician who claimed the HTPS work convert atmospheric air into ozone and hydrogen nitrox oxide before it entered the engine to enhance fuel burning efficiency. Dr. Leonardo Gasendo. Self-changing air are also called long distance electric vehicle. This car used two batteries charger, the KES, the KEC, and KER that help convert wheel vibration to crossing speed into electrical, then by charging the onboard battery during transit. Elma Alboleras and Rodel D. Guzman invented the iBus Intelligent Bus Utility System. Is a traffic invention system that allowed buses to do following: load and unload only in their designated areas. Christian R. Herbosa. Christian R. Herbosa developed the mosquito larvicide. This substance was developed by Christian R. Herbosa. It contains calcium hydroxide and clipnothelophyte that kill mosquito larvae and control the growth and spread of dengue. Romel B. Bernardo. Romel B. Bernardo invented the invented the greenhouse effect, faster throttle, respond faster revving engine in less fueling up to spark plug. Joel C. Miguel invented the cylinder Masorley brake. These pneumatic tools combine directly with the chisel. It environment friendly. It does not require electric or fuel to function. Dr. Nestor Dr. Nestor Michael Tiglaur invented the portable smart surface system. This an electronic sensor, a system that converts virtually any flat surface into interface. It used for interactive learning environment. Roberto V. Celes invented the hydrogasifer. This invention used water as a supplemental fuel. For most engine types, it used two exhale gases from the engine to separate water into hydrogen and oxygen, which enter the combustion chamber to burn the fuel that is, is in the tank.
Thank you very much. Hey, yo. Thank you. Okay. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.